Good day guys, and welcome to another video. It's a Sunday, the family is here. Rika is driving, Ivana where? Ivana is in the back there. And we're just taking a little drive down to Negril, taking in the scenery and whatnot. I'm not driving today. I'll have the opportunity to do some more recording and whatnot, so that's cool. See from that narrow road we just passed with the walls, we're in the town of Hopewell. Alright, well of course, you know, if we go into Negril, there is no way we could pass up stopping at the water wheel to take some pictures. I know you guys have seen it many times, but I never tire of it. You have to admit, it's a really nice picture spot. And Manny? As you can see, it's more of a picture take outing stop. Can't blame us, right? Look at these surroundings. We're passing through. We left Tryal and we're now in Sandy Bay. So nice. We're continuing our drive and we are just passing the Grand Palladium. Really nice scenery. And I'm seeing a lot of stuff because usually I'm driving and I'm looking ahead. As Rika is here, I'm able to kind of look around and see stuff that I never really pay attention to before. Right, as you can see by that seawall, we're heading into Lucy. Driving, going along, we just passed Green Island and we're taking a long stretch going to Negril. So on our way, we're basically in Negril and on the outskirts. I've seen it a few times, but it'll be the first time we're stopping by the Negril sign to take some pictures. So we're now at the top of the Negril stretch, you know, where it has the 7 Mile Beach and all the hotels. As you can see, that's Palladium, not Palladium, that Negril Rio in the back there. So yeah, we're continuing. We're coming to the end of the 7 Mile Beach. We're going to cross the bridge and going to Negril proper now. We're here in Negril. We're stopping by Popeyes there. I'm going to get something to eat. Got our food and we came right here on the shoreline and ate. And if you can look from behind there, that's the 7 Mile Beach. And you can see it going all along the coast there, 7 miles. It's a nice little view to eat your food, don't you think? You have it right up over my face. Alright, so we're driving in the west end of Negril. See? and just enjoying the scenery. Okay, so we're here by the famous Rick's. We're gonna check it out. And if the vlog footage from just now driving into Rick's Cafe look a little, this was the vlogger here. So we're here in Negril. We saw the water. No matter how much times I come and see that water, the blueness just amazes me. But something even more amazing happened. We were talking on the steps in Rick's Cafe, and this guy asked to take a picture and then asked where we're from. And he's from Trinidad also. So think of the chances we meet an ex-Trinidad in Rick's Cafe. Not only that, he's from the village in Trinidad, Barpo, where my wife is from. They actually kind of know each other through people. Imagine that. So we pull aside by Busby, that's the beach right behind us. Taking a little walk, taking it in. Alright, we just stopped at Busby. We just take a walk, we didn't take a bait, get some nice pictures. And now we're heading back down the road.